Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Mackie 3rd anniversary coin here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But first of all, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Actually, I was saying this kind of content right over here. Interesting box as usual from Mackie, nice plastic. These flaps are not the best, they might fall off, so just be mindful of that. And inside you're gonna have this pretty cool titanium coin. Really nicely done. There's some anodization going on, lot of milling. You have a lot of milling going on here, guys. Look at this side. It's just really well made, and this is kind of like the simple one. Check this side out. I mean, that's a nightmare, I think, to mill like that. It's gonna take quite some time, and the result, I think, it's pretty cool. I think there's two versions of this one. One is the anodized, and the other one is just plain raw titanium. I'm not aware of other versions of this specific coin. Let's just go ahead and quickly measure. The diameter on this one is going to be 1.53 inches, and the thickness is going to be 0.41 inches. So not that big. It's classic size, and we're going to just check quickly the weight on this guy. This is titanium. Inside you get some magnets and roller bearings. Look at that, 1.74 ounces. That's a fantastic number. Inside, you know, it's going to be just like that. And if you notice here, you have a couple holes which are very similar to the holes you find in the Umbury and Mackie coin collaboration. You see, like those, and those are done because you can actually push like with a pin, needle, something, and have these two inlays swapped. So you can mix and match, not between these two because the inlays are bigger, but you can mix, you can swap the two sides from, you know, this side to this side, and that's a pretty cool thing you can do. So you can have Mackie inside here, so that's something pretty nice. There's gonna be two gaskets, like O-rings inside to retain this in, because it's not like screwed in, it's just like press fit, and that's something very cool. The look overall, it's pretty futuristic. I like these ridges, these chamfers, this knurling going on the side. It's really cool and creates some grip. It gives some grippiness to the outside of this structure, so you're gonna be able to just play with it and have it producing this nice sound, and enjoy the hapticness of this thing, because from the look perspective, I mean, this is a haptic coin, it looks pretty good. From the sound perspective also, this is very interesting because it's not a loud coin. You see, like this is a loud one. All right, this is another loud one. This is not a loud one. And I'm trying to be as loud as I can. Or you can be completely silent with this, just like that. Just by applying more pressure. And it's gonna be silent. Really cool. Let me just show you this, some size comparison for these guys. For this guy here, this is the Nighthawk Zirk. That's nuclear. That's the Ukiyo Studio. Let me show you another one, which is probably this guy. It's quite popular, Umbury and Mackie collaboration coin. Let me show you also, like, this is EDC Lung bulletproof shield, and of course you've got the Dojo shield right there. And let me show you just another couple, just because we have them in the house. That's the Gamer slider, of course, and of course we've got the Gamer clicker. And just a couple options, because I love this guy. I'm not a spinner guy, but I love that. It's just so good. Muji capsule spinner, Umbury, mid-size coin. What else can I show you? Oh, of course, like we are talking about Mackie. Boom. That's the Mackie capsule, of course, which we have also in titanium. And yeah, last one. I'm just going to show you these two guys. That's the Choclick from Black Mirror Design, and this is the Lauti pair of kings shuffled. So it's a really cool one. It's a classic size of a coin, something you can really, I mean, the look is good, the sound is really subdued, really unobtrusive. So if you're after something not obnoxious for other people, this might be yours, because the feel is good. Like really, it's subtle, it's not too strong, and it goes well with the elegance of and the quietness of this sound. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.